Hi guys, this is Anna. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making slow cooker mac and cheese or slow cooker macaroni and cheese. Tastes the same to me. What about you? The ingredients we will need: 16 ounces of elbow macaroni, 16 ounces of Velveeta cheese, cubed, 2 cups of Mexican cheese blend, shredded, 2 cups of white cheddar cheese, shredded, 1 3/4 cup of whole milk, 1 12-ounce can evaporated milk, 1 1/2 sticks of butter melted, and 3 large eggs lightly beaten.
It's not too late to whip it. Whip it good.
Shoo. After whipping those eggs, it's time to soften my elbows. Let's go cook the macaroni. I'll be right back. It's magic. I added about 4 quarts of water to my stock pot. A little salt. You know, water won't boil if you watch it. See, I told you. It's magic. See what happens when you step away? Just close your eyes for a minute and bam, there it is. Give it a little stir. Don't want them to stick together. Alexa, set timer 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Let it return to a boil. Probably put a little too much water in there. I'm going to reduce the temperature a little bit to about 4. Just so I still keep a rolling boil without it boiling out of the pot. So we're going to let it boil for about 5, maybe 6 minutes until it reaches al dente. We don't want to overcook our macaroni because it will continue to cook in our slow cooker. Al dente is when the pasta is still a little firm. So now we're ready to drain our pasta. It did take exactly 5 minutes to reach al dente. So I placed a colander in my sink. And I'm just gonna dump my pasta into the colander, drain it. Then we want to add a little virgin olive oil, extra virgin that is. Just drizzle some over it so it doesn't stick together. Then we're gonna toss it around. Whoops. Just to coat the macaroni a little bit. Now we need to transfer our pasta to our slow cooker. If you are not using a liner like I am using right here, then you will need to coat the inside of your slow cooker with some kind of nonstick spray or butter.
When the stars make you drool, just like a pasta fazzle, that's amore. When you dance down the street with a cloud at your feet, you're in love.
So I'm going to pop a couple of holes into the top of my evaporated milk. Actually, before I do that, I want to shake up my evaporated milk. Sometimes the cream in the milk settles to the bottom of the can. So you give it a good shake. And I need to pop a couple of holes, a large one on this side, and then a small one on this side so that I get air in it for pouring. And now all we want to do is we want to add all of our ingredients into the slow cooker with our macaroni. Give it a good stir. Look at that. Creamy, creamy, creamy. That's what we want. We want creamy mac and cheese. And who doesn't love mac and cheese? It's not just a kid food. I love mac and cheese too. If you have any ideas about different things to add to your mac and cheese, such as sausage or Italian sausage or wieners or something like that, share that with everybody else down below. We would love to hear about your favorite mac and cheese. I'm gonna put the lid on my slow cooker. I am going to set it to low. We'll come back in about 2 hours and see what we have. Creamy, smooth, yummy-licious.